I know you guys miss our cooking, huh? This time, we have to make another recipe. We're gonna start cooking this broccoli. I don't know what's next, but you have to stand by. Okay? Stand by. That means wait. Oh, we will start our cooking now. We are pouring. We are pouring the olive oil, not the cooking oil. This is a real olive oil, the Pompeian brand. Now where are garlic and onion? Same time. Oh, don't slap on me, you know. My skin is very sensitive. And the next one, we put a very small tomato. That's what we call grape tomato. By putting that all the ingredients, we have to add the sliced potato, tomato, potato, everything and little potato, tomato, and muy saboroso. Now we have to let it simmer for a while and add a little bit of black pepper. I can smell now. The smells of what's in here. This is kind of very thin. And a little bit of salt. Sal in Spanish. Sal. The hotness of the pot. This is so thick and so neat. That's why we are very excited to cook with this new cooking pot. It's made of aluminum, but it's coated with marble. So we have to wait first. So hang on tight, my friends. You know, the more we cook, the more we are excited to present to you. And you know, the recipe that we're gonna do right now is consists of chicken, sausage, and grilled pork meat. This is a combination of pork and chicken meat, but the chicken one is chicken sausage. Oh, it's so mouth-watering. I cannot wait. Actually, the meat, both of the pork and chicken sausage has already been cooked. We already pre-cooked so that you don't have to wait for a long time until that time we have to cook. This is all, the meat are all pre-cooked. We are showing this so that we can cook in a fastest way. We have to be artistic and now we're gonna put an additional Worcestershire. This is the ingredient that I have a hard time telling you what's the real name. Worcestershire sauce. Shire.
We will wait until
the potato will be softened. You know how to taste you know how to check if the potato is cooked. Just get a toothpick or a fork so that and just poke. Since we are cooking most of the chicken sausage, we have to add chicken cubes. And now we are adding hot water so that we can speed up the cooking process. Actually, it's almost ready, but for presentation purposes, we are trying to do this a little bit slower so that you're gonna be excited until the recipe is done. And this cooking is brought to you by Loria Official. So hang on tight again. We'll be right back. We're gonna cover this and we will be right back as soon as we can say everything is done. We'll be right back. Look like the sausage and the pork meat is already cooked. So this time we're gonna add carrots. You know the carrots is good for your eyes. That's a lot of vitamin C. Vitamin C, huh?
And we will put a little bit oregano paste.
And you know, you need to add a little bit of spices. Meaning you need to add oregano leaves, dried oregano leaves. Man, I have to move back a little bit because it's the vapor. It affects the quality of my video. You know what I mean? So we're gonna put cover again. Wow! Just by the look, I can really control my feelings. My feelings, huh? We just added the zucchini here, a meat with a mixed vegetable. So you're gonna put additional hot water here because it's almost dried up, and you know. That's the only thing that you can do. If it's lacking water, add more water. Put the cover back once again. This cooking channel is brought to you by Loria Official. And my friends, if you don't mind, if you're not subscribed to Meat and Loria Official, check her channel. This is the time we're gonna put our final vegetables. Broccoli. This is also pre-steamed or pre-cooked. Now, this is the final. And we're gonna turn off our stove. You just finished watching our video, and thank you everyone for watching this. See you again next time. Hoping in next couple of days we're gonna have some more recipe to cook again. But don't worry, we'll just keep on cooking here and we'll keep on posting so that you have a lot of time and you will be excited what will be our next recipe. I will not say anything what will be the next recipe, but if you subscribe to my channel, rest assured you are in good hands. You can see a lot of our cooking all the time. Thank you everyone. today, but we didn't drink. Thank you again, as always.